Let's use these 2 yards Ankara material to create 3-in-1 simple head wrap. When I say simple, trust me, they are simple. So you're going to hold it like this, pick it up at that edge and replace it with elastic band. Then you're going to put it in like this, and we're going to be putting it on our head from the back. Watch me closely. So when you place it from the back, haul excess forward, then wrap it again like this and use elastic band to secure it. There are very simple steps to achieve this. Once you have secured, you still have the excess left at the front, which we'll be working with now. So let's see what we're going to do to it. Now I'm going to stretch it out and cross it like this. Take right to left and left to right, then direct excess backward. Now go to the back and raise all the excess up like you are making a pleat with it. Just pick it roughly. You are coming back to straighten it up at the front. Don't worry. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. What you do to right, you do to left and center till the fabric is being exhausted. Watch my hand and see what I'm talking about. Look at that. So I've picked the rough pleats all through like that. So I'm trying to get it well arranged, well aligned before I finally go secure it at the back. So I'm done with this part. I'm at the back trying to secure the remaining excess. So I'll go back to the other side and repeat the same process. I'll pick it up all through again like this. Then it's time to secure the excess. So I'm securing the other excess now. And here is the back for you guys. I'm trying to adjust that place so I have this look at the back. And now final look at the front. I'll find a way to cover up that elastic band, like I'll use the fabric to cover it up so it will not be showing. Watch me do that now. So I added my brooch. You can use your fabric, you can just pull down your fabric and cover it if you don't have a brooch. So I have a brooch and I cover it. Look at here, it's not more showing. I use my fabric to cover it up and I'm done. So style 2, just remove the excess from the back and roll it up like this, and pick your office pin to secure it. You know the first one is pinless, you only use rubber band, but this you have to use your pin to secure this. What you do to right, you do to left. So you're going to remove the excess from the back again and roll it up like you did to the first one. Now I'm going to arrange it properly and get it well secured. If you have watched this length, I think you have get 1 or 2 steps in achieving a beautiful Ankara head wrap on your own. Okay, you can rock this to church, any occasion of your choice, and you're going to look stunning. Trust me, guys. So I'm trying to cover up the middle part, covering it up with my fabric because I don't want to add any brunch, and I'm going to have the final look to be like this. I like to show my hairline, so I push backward and it's looking stunning. Trust me. Try it and you're going to arrive at a beautiful head wrap just like this. Just follow the steps and you're good to go. If you're watching this link, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Like and share.